racing. We got the almighty GS300. It's a little bit dirty from the wet day. Yes, last time it was 2 days ago. 2J GTE eBay turbs, 40mm gate, 8 psi. But we're here at Speed Sports. It's a go-kart track. They're very adamant on not dropping wheels, so we're going to do our best. We got no handbrake still, so we have grabbed a new master in hopes that this is our issue. We did the brake pads, bled it 100 times, no deal, so we're going to try to slap that in, which is right here on the Chase Bay setup. Oh, it's windy. I got a few guys here. You got Chelsea, Ben Hobson right here. I think that's Taylor Ray. Don't know, I never met. I'll say hi at some point. And Night Ride Boys in the 2 yellow weapons over there. And Gobbler. I'll try to say hi to him. Another day in Texas, Houston. Yeah, some of our last driving for the trip for this year. Then we head back home to Australia to prepare for our biggest event we've ever ran, which is Drift Fest 2025. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Alright, let's get into this. Hey, what are you looking at?
Hey, it's like some random 2JZ GS300.
Yeah, as you do.
So you picked it up on the way?
Picked it up about a week or two ago, yeah, before I came. So just been running it in. Some fun?
Yeah.
Word on the streets, you want to come to Australia?
Yeah, I'm coming. With Gobbler in Australia.
That's it, that's it.
Like, this is the funny story. Australia was my biggest dream to visit, always. Because normal, like primary school, we got this book, we need to... Now it's changed. It's not in a, you need to read it, but back in my days, I'm old, you need to read it. It was like a book, the Tom and the Kangaroo Land.
Okay.
And it was about
I know that book, I know that book.
It is a guy, like a guy's adventure in Australia. His dad was conqueror, he was going and finding places and like a conquestor. I don't know how to say it in English. So he was like going around and like
a traveler or something?
Yeah, a traveler, but he was like back in the days when Australia was untouched.
Yep.
So he was going and trying to find new stuff there.
Interesting.
And it was like his stories like about this Australia, so it was like fun.
So that's what
since
you know.
then I was always wanted to visit Australia.
So that's your first experience of something to do with Australia?
Yeah, and I really want to go Australia. So we've been in New Zealand this year with the guys, and Australia will be fun to see, like first little touches.
Yeah, nice. Nah, I think you'll really like it. It's like I kind of compare it to like all the busy places. It's like a country town. Everyone's really nice and friendly and.
Just get ready for all the spiders, snakes, and all that Australian things. Alligators.
This is the part I don't like. It.
Don't worry.
We don't get this stuff in Europe. You know?
You see it just as common as you see a gun shooting in America, so you'll be right.
Yeah. I've been gun shooting in America. I saw shooting on the streets in America.
Yeah.
I saw,
so you can see it, but
yeah, I saw.
But it's rare.
How it's called? Rapid chase.
Yeah, takeovers.
No, takeovers.
Yeah.
I saw when the police was chasing people on a full scale. So I saw a lot of stuff in America. This is not my first time. So
Nice.
during all my trips, I saw a lot of stuff, you know.
Sweet.
Oh
yeah, don't look at that. Yeah.
From the fat angle kit.
That's for the VIP lowness, like slam camber on the ground. So the arm comes through there. I noticed that. So that arm there, somewhere down there. Camber. We got the pit crew on the job. Just got the master changed out. The old one's actually a 0.6278 or something. I can't remember. 5.8. Yeah, that's the one. The new one is I think 0.75, which is like a 3/4, whatever it is. So I think it's actually a worse size for pressure. But if the other one's dead, then the other one's dead. So the new one should be good. Anyway, I'm trying a different system of bleeding it and running the lines. Hopefully get all the air out. There we go. Oh, nice! Look at that premium. Alright, at the same time as doing the handbrake, I'm going to slap these Velino Suri tyres, 235, make my life a little bit easier as well to spin them up and hopefully lock them with the handbrake. Velino is sponsoring the Drift Week event. Great tyres, they last for ages, so perfect for this kind of event. So we'll see how they go. I have used them on the wagon and one of the best lasting tyres. These and the 08Cs. Honestly, great drifting tyres, so we'll go slap them on. Ever-Su's all fitted up. Okay. And I decided to slam that ass at the same time. So another 20 mil down because I need some fitment, otherwise I'll be upset. This fat ass needs to be on the ground. Okay. Thanks Ben Hobson for helping me bleed the handbrake. Feeling good, so fingers crossed, baby, that she actually works. So I can do some gangster driftos. Alright, get these on, see how she looks. So before I drop it on the ground and see how these, oof, it's gonna look, okay. Anyway, so we've got X gate and it's got a tiny spring in there, turbo smart gate. And I tried to order a spring because last time we were trying to up the boost, not having much luck. And this is the spring Amazon sent me. Teal wastegate spring, large blue. Now what in tarnation's that for? Like a 60 mil, 30 psi. That's a big mama spring. I don't know if I've seen one that big before. That's huge. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to the T-pieces. This one didn't seem to be really hitting much boost. Obviously it was wet last time, so we got dry this time. So I'm gonna try the Big Mama bleeder, see if we have some good results. But I just think that wastegate spring with the back pressure is gonna open up either way without the bleeder doing anything. So it might help like high RPM, but down low it's just gonna crack open and kill all my torque. Anyway, all right, a little bit scared this one's just gonna like free boost that ass. It's a bit bigger than that one. Maybe I go to my other option, which is the step up boy, and I can cut her as I please, which I might try. Kind of like that better. I can kind of like cut it up here, see what she does. You just don't know. Ooh, that's better on an ass. A bit more level, a little bit hard in the front. It's actually got these welded over fenders, the gap for it. Feel nicely. Still a respectable height, ready for some fat skirts, maybe a apron rear bar. I do really like this front lift that it's got. It's got that look. The boys did a pretty good job of cleaning her up too. Good work, boys. It's warming up now. See if it actually, that handbrake works and if my boost thing worked. Oh yeah, I forgot. Also spice it up with the Drift Week banner. I didn't realise Wisefab sorting out. Wisefab's on board for the V3 WAGs, which is Kang. And there you go. Nice.
Whoop! Sorry to interrupt this YouTube video, but did you know you can win this beautiful R34 GTR right behind me? It's capped at only 5,000 entrants. So click the link in the description and this could be yours in your driveway, delivered by me.
Here we got 15 pounds. Handbrake not work. Alright, when I leant out to turn the GoPro off, I went for another lap just to get another bit more feel of it. And for some reason the door just kept flying open and it's just absolutely playing up. Something's cooked. Maybe if I slam it. Yeah, no! Something's fucked. So I need to fix that. Secondly, I think that side's fine, but have a look at this side. Never seen so many cooked bushes in my life. So, see if you can see it. that bush, this bush, or ball joint I should say, and right in there. Oh, come on. What is? So absolutely everything has got that much play in it. It's nasty, but it works. So I'm gonna put some more chilled front tires, keep sending it, and try and fix that door to get it to shut. I've got no idea what's going on there. Fun times, Gary. Giving up on this thing for a second. Can't be bothered with that door. Inner tire rods on both sides are actually cooked. But this Volvo boy wants to take us for a lap in the. He's gonna throw us in all seats. He's coming up now. So grab the helmet. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Premium. G'day, mate.
G'day, what's up?
Yeah. To the wide line, baby. Hey, premium. Here I am complaining about my handbrake. You're catching it.
Apparently got brakes.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Jason.
Thank you for the service.
Thank you for coming. Please come again. Devon Taxi Service. Please come
Where can
again.
people follow your ass at?
Yeah. Devon.sn95 on Instagram. Oh, what?
I got that stupid ass door fixed. Just spaced that ass off there. Don't know what's going on. I have a feeling when the door swung open, it like bent the hinge. Anyway, it's closing now. Look at that. Got the 08Rs off the front, so 08Cs now. Might just check pressure. Up the rear pressure so I can do some left foot brake hang techniques. We've got 1 more hour to go, so I'll see if I can blaze these off. Oh, alright. What a stressful day. Alright, let's have some fun, baby. Second sergeant. Oh no. Stupid ass GoPros, they suck ass. Whatever. Let's go! Alright, that's us for Drift Week. I think next track turns out it's a big ass track. Can't get this handbrake to work. I was thinking about running like suicide setup and doing something, but Chelsea reckons it's just the pads, which I wouldn't be surprised with either. So I'll have to play with that next year because we're done. Actually no, we might have something next week, but it'll just be like fun, like chill stuff. But anyway, we're done. Thanks Drift Week for having me, and the GS did well. It was cool hitting 15 PSI, skidding the dry. Definitely needs a few things to refinement, and she'll be spicy for grid life and whatever we do next year. Once I get all that stuff working, get it looking spice, get some keep Reet graphics on there. You know, let us know in the comments what you reckon we should do with it, styling wise, power wise, whatever. Let us know. And that's it. See you next time. Gary's and Gary out.